Things to carry to Isha Yoga Center. 1. Clothing. Dress code. Sleeveless tops and shorts are not allowed. Wear loose, comfortable clothing like kurtas and pajamas that cover your arms and legs. If staying for a week, carry 1 set per day, plus 2 extra sets in case of immersion in sacred spaces. 2. Footwear. Walking barefoot is ideal, but slippers are sufficient. No need to carry shoes. 3. Essentials. Power bank. A must as charging points may not always be available. Toiletries. Toothbrush, toothpaste, towel, soap and sanitary items available in the ashram shop if forgotten. Medicines. Basic medicines for cold, cough, fever, vomiting and diarrhea. 4. Bags. Storage. Sling bag. Very useful for carrying essentials. If staying in a dormitory, pack light and keep valuables minimal. 5. Photography. Valuables. Photography is not allowed inside the ashram without special permission. Avoid carrying valuables. The focus is on experiencing the space, not capturing it in photos. 6. Energy experience.
Isha Yoga Center in South India is a very, very special place. It's a very powerful space for self-transformation.
Everything about the place has been carefully engineered for individual transformation of the human being.
Without a single instruction about meditation, people come, total strangers, they come and sit there. They think they're going to sit for 5 minutes, they'll sit there for 2 hours. Totally still. Because without a single instruction, it'll make you meditative. The whole place has been created like that.